students, let's study the chapter rock. The word metamorphic is derived from the word metamorphose, which means change in the form. So, the metamorphic rocks that change due to intense heat or temperature and pressure. Meta means change and morphosis means form in Greek. So igneous, sedimentary and other metamorphic rocks can change to become metamorphic rocks. Characteristics of metamorphic rocks: they are harder and more compact than their original form because it has gone through many processes. They are shaped by great heat and pressure. Because their minerals grain grew together tightly during metamorphisms, they are generally strong rocks. Most of them are impermeable or non-porous rocks where interlocking grains with no water or air spaces. So it cannot absorb water because this metamorphosis process they completely block the original porosity and permeability of the original rock. No remains of fossil. So they do not have fossils as the fossils in sedimentary rocks are destroyed during the formation of metamorphic rocks. Changes in texture and composition. So metamorphic rocks are formed due to the changes in textures and compositions of the pre-existing rock. So here you can see sandstone became quartzite, shale becomes slate, limestone becomes marble. New minerals are formed during the process of metamorphisms. Here you can see quartzite, slate, marble, gneiss, schist and serpentinite. There are different ways that metamorphic rocks can form. So thermal metamorphism, it occurs when the transformations of the original rocks it take place due to the influence of high temperature. Slate is formed from clay and graphite from coal. So the heat may be from hot magma or more friction or moving of rock layers. And dynamic metamorphisms, it occurs when the transformation takes place mainly because of the high pressure at a great depth within the Earth's crust. The rock used in Taj Mahal at Agra are marbles metamorphized from dolomites. Even Dilwara temple at Mount Abu is also built of similar marbles. When a rock is exposed to extreme heat and pressure within the earth but does not melt, the rock becomes metamorphosed. Metamorphism may change the mineral composition and texture of the rock. For that reason, metamorphic rocks may have a new mineral composition or a new texture. So these chemically active hot gases, when passing through the rocks, they changes their chemical compositions. Under condition of this change, mineral it get arranged in a series of bands known as foliations. So repetitive layerings in metamorphic rocks. So the word foliation here is the Latin word folium, means sheet or leaf of a paper. So when we go through the layers of the rock, it can be thin as a paper sheet or it can be thick in meters. Gneiss is a foliated metamorphic rock. Regional metamorphism, it occurs over a much larger area. The metamorphism, it produces rocks such as gneiss and schist. So regional metamorphism is caused by large geological processes such as the mountain building. These rocks, when they expose to the surface, they show the unbelievable pressure that caused the rock to bend and broken by the mountain building processes. The pressure of overlaying rocks and the intense heat it caused by large-scale earth movement change such rocks. Such a process is known as regional metamorphism. Contact metamorphism occurs when magma it comes in the contact with an already existing body of rock. When this happens, the existing rock temperature it rises, enter into the effects cracks or the layers of rocks, and these areas they are transformed into metamorphic rocks. So in this diagram about magma, it has pushed its way into layers of limestone, quartz, sandstone and shale. The heat generated by magma chamber has changed these sedimentary rocks into the metamorphic rocks, marble, quartzite and horn. The rock cycle, the process of transformation of rocks from one form to another in a cyclic manner, is known as the rock cycle. It includes the following processes. Hot lava cools down to form igneous rock. These igneous rocks, they are broken down into smaller particles which are transported and deposited. This results in the formation of sedimentary rocks. When these igneous and sedimentary rocks, they are subjected to great heat and pressures, they change into metamorphic rocks. These metamorphic rocks under heat and pressure break down and form hot lava. This hot magma then again cool down and form igneous rock. In completing any of these changes, hundreds and thousands of years are involved. In the operation of the rock cycle, the earth is kept young and movements of adjustment, especially through horizontal flow or convection currents, maintain the balance between various elements of the earth like oceans and continents.